can contagious and other disease. Which of the following is responsible for muscle fatigue? Lactic acid. Arthritis is caused by the deposition of uric acid. High level of uric acid in blood is got. The people who eat cooked food without adulterated mustard oil and can cause dangerous disease deporgy. Adulteration of rice husk in oil. Common adulterant of mustard oil seed, poppy seed. It begins as a single cell and grows into merciless disease that claims millions of lives year after year. But scientists are steadily unlocking its mysteries, and fight against it may now have reached dramatic turning point. New discoveries promise better therapies and hope in the war against the disease referred to the cancer. And antophobia is fear of flowers. Disease hysteria generally occur in which group? Young women. Silicosis. Silicosis is lung disease. Malfunctioning of thyroid gland is due to deficiency of iodine. Anemia. Iron deficiency, goitre, iodine deficiency, night blindness, vitamin A deficiency, very vitamin B deficiency, deficiency of iodine, goitre, the shortage of food, shortage of iodine, goitre, patient suffering from goitre iodine की कमी से. Use of polished rice in human diet will cause the beriberi. Use of polished rice in human diet cause beriberi. Country where polished rice is main cereal in their diet, beriberi. Blue baby pollution disease, nitrate. Blue baby syndrome disease, excess of methamoglobin. Baby syndrome, methemoglobin. Plague, iron, fibrous tissue, high cholesterol, clot of blood carried into coronary arteries, narrowing of thinner orifice of the vessel, play inadequate supply of blood and oxygen. Golden hour, heart attack. Beta blocker is medicine to save from heart attack. To regulate the heartbeat, potassium. Related to deficiency of potassium, low blood pressure. If albumin is releasing with urine, then the failure of kidney. Affected most and on keeping fast for a long time, kidney. Nuclear medicine play a vital role in medical science. They are radioisotope. Arsenic 74 tumor, cobalt 60 cancer, iodine 131 activity of thyroid gland, sodium blood disorder. Gold 198 treatment of cancer, cobalt 60 body internal neoplasm, iodine 131 thyroid neoplasm, phosphorus 32 treatment of leukemia. Radio element is used to measure the speed of blood flow in human body. Radio sodium. Leukemia is type of cancer in which there is an abnormal increase of the number of white blood cell. Radioisotope used to control blood cancer. Leukemia is phosphorus 32 or cobalt 60. Treatment of blood cancer, cobalt 60 or phosphorus 32. Cobalt 60 is generally used in radiation treatment because it rejects gamma rays. Radioisotope detection of tumor, arsenic 74. Radioisotope used to tumors, arsenic 74. Treatment of muscle ache are infrared. Oncogenes are associated with cancer. Uncontrolled multiplication of cell, by which death of sound cell and finally death. Metastasis is the process by which cancer cells spread through the blood and lymphatic system to other site or organ. Cause cancer as well as cure it depending upon its intensity and use. Ionized radiation. Human organ is less susceptible to harmful radiation. Brain used to get relief from body ache. Infraradiation. Recent therapy of all type of cancer. Intensity modulated radiotherapy. Interferon is used for control of diabetes. Cerebral palsy is a brain disorder found generally in small children. Alzheimer disease, the brain. Alzheimer amyloid precursor protein. Nobel Prize developing treatment of Parkinson disease, Arvind Carlson. Scratching eases itching cause because it stimulates certain nerves when direct the brain to increase the production of antihistaminic chemical. Anosmia is loss of sense of smell. Anorexia, eating disorder, insomnia, sleep disorder, dysopnia, shortness of the breath, anosmia, partial or full loss of smell. Man who does not know when to stop eating is suffering from bulimia. Sleep anemia is serious sleep disorder in which people briefly and repeatedly stop breathing during sleep. Khair, zinc deficiency anemia, iron deficiency, iodine, scurvy, vitamin C. Knock-knee syndrome, fluoride ion indigestion, mercury minimata, cadmium itaita, nitrate blue baby syndrome, फ्लोराइड आयन से डेंटल डिजीज फ्लोरोसिस हो जाता. मिनीमाटा मरकरी, मिनीमाटा जापान मरकरी. इटाई कैडमियम. एलर्जी अस्थमा. Only takes milk, egg and bread in diet, so he may suffer from disease. Scurvy. Useful treatment for scurvy disease. Gooseberry. Scurvy vitamin C. DRDO developed drug named leukoskine. It is being used in treatment of leukoderma. DRDO Nocoderma. Malaria blood cell, filaria lymph node, encephalitis brain, leukemia bone marrow. Marasmus, prolonged starvation, quasicor protein deficiency, TB bacterial infection, hepatitis B viral infection. Quasicor protein disease, deficiency of protein, marasmus. Cataract eye, jaundice liver, typhoid intestine, pneumonia lungs. Correctly matched. Pneumonia lungs. Jaundice liver, eye, cataract, diabetes, metabolism. Astigmatism is a disease of eyes. Myopia, disorder of eye. Myopia is short-sightedness corrected by use of concave lens. Myopia, near object clearly visible. far suffering from farsightedness face difficulties in to see close object. Blind spot and yellow spot are found in retina. Retina is outgrowth of densifalone. If if lens in eye become opaque, disease cause cataract. Human eye affected by cataract? None of the above. Lens. Human eye affected by cataract become cloudy because of change in which of the following protein? Atro atropine 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 dilation of pupil, ether local anesthesia, nitroglycerin heart trouble, pyrethrin mosquito control. Pupils of non-eye are dilated with very dilute solution of an alkaloid which is atropine. ECRA test related to color blindness. Biological resurfacing is a recent surgical technique used to treat problem of hip deficiency of iron, anemia. Disease caused due to deficiency of iron in anemia, caused by excessive use of alcoholic beverage, liver crisis. Oral submucous fibrosis is a disease caused by consuming gutka of tobacco. Jaundice affected the liver. Which disease is not so contagious? Jaundice. Not an infectious. Other three are jaundice, skin, yellowish urine. Because of yellowish urine, is waste becoming brownish. Ricket disease in poultry bird is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin D. Factor of mad cow disease is prions. Liver fluke in a bile duct remains in sheep. Bright's disease affect human body in part of kidney. Pneumoconiosis affect the worker who work mainly in coal mining industry. Blood glucose level is commonly expressed as milligram per deciliter. Not controlled by vaccine. Diabetes. Diabetes is most common disorder associated with the pancreas. Diabetes caused due to malfunctioning of pancreas, lack of which substance? Diabetes insulin. Associated with diabetes mellitus, a common disease in adult. High sugar level in blood, lower insulin level in blood. Measurement of glycosylated hemoglobin in blood is useful for management of diabetes mellitus. Person with diabetes insipidus feel thirsty. Drinking of whiskey increase the frequency of urination. Diabetes. Which one of the following seeds can benefit the patient of diabetes mellitus? Normalizing his blood sugar level. Fenugreek seed. Curry leaf, native of India, potential of multi-billion-dollar production of pharmaceutical company. Diabetes curry leaf. Used in treating diabetes was discovered by F.G. Banting. Commonest side effect of CUT, bleeding. Emphysema is disease caused by lungs. Aspirin is not true. Aspirin belongs to narcotic. Acetyl salicylic acid, neurobiological active drug. CPR stand for cardiopulmonary resuscitation. cath lab found cardiology. Nutritional deficiency condition that needs to be given top priority for remedial action in India is xerophthalmia. Letharism is caused by excessive consumption of खेसारी dal. Which pulse letharism when consumed on the regular basis? खेसारी dal. Blank capsule used in dispensing are made up of starch or gelatin. Main plant disease. Which statement is correct? Virus can infect bacteria, fungi, plant. Not correctly matched D. Sugarcane, powdery mildew, wheat, grape, barley, onion, apple and pea. Not sugarcane. Beet, Phalaris minor, potato, late blight, bajra, ergot. राइस में ग्रीन हेयर डिजीज बाजरा में बाजरा इरगोट पी पाउडरी मिल्डम ग्राम विल्ट नॉट करेक्टली मैच्ड पैडी विल्ट पोटैटो में विल्ट ग्राम चिकपी एंड शुगर कैन मस्टर्ड वाइट रस्ट बाजरा स्मॉट ग्राउंडनट टिक्का प्लांट क्लोरोसिस इन मेज प्लांट जिंक के कारण white tip of maize leaves indicate the deficiency of zinc. White bud disease in plant caused by deficiency of zinc. Pyrilla is pest of sugarcane. Deadly disease of groundnut is ticka. White rust is prominent fungal disease of mustard. Rice blast disease is a fungal disease. Not true. False smut is a disease found in barley. False smut disease found in paddy. Rust disease wheat. Early blight potato. Khaira paddy. Two common fungal diseases of wheat, black rust and smut. Carnal bunt is a disease of wheat crop. Tungro virus of rice is spread by green leaf hopper. Birds spread plant disease. Bird rain, dust blowing, wind blowing. Black heart in potato, oxygen deficiency. Yellow vein mosaic disease in okra, white fly. Yellow vein mosaic is a serious disease of okra. Spongy tissue is a serious disorder hampering the export of mango variety. It is Alfonso.